This is Rhonda Schaefer from Fairport, New York. Do what you can to be awesome today. This morning I'm going to talk about 3 recent Census Bureau Survey results about jobs and household income that came across my desk. First, based on responses collected through October 28th through November 9th, almost 26% of American adults expect someone in their household to experience employment loss within the next month. My first thought when I read this was, do they have a backup plan? And secondly, almost 34% of those households are having difficulties paying their usual household expenses. And if you've ever been in this situation, it's really stressful to juggle which expense is going to be paid and in what order before the cutoff notice gets delivered. Finally, a little over 37% of adults have at least one household member substituting their in-person job for telework. I was thinking about the middle-aged and retired folks who rely on some sort of regular or part-time work to make ends meet and provide for their families. After all, unemployment under any circumstance has its requirements to qualify. And this brings me to wonder how many of those folks are sick and tired of depending on others to have the opportunity to live the lifestyle that they truly desire without their time being controlled. Having the freedom to do that would be really nice, wouldn't it? Well, know this. There are choices. This is Rhonda Schaefer, and I appreciate your time today. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, or share to let me know you found value in it. Again, know there are options. It costs nothing to look. With that being said, click on the link below for more information. Watch the entire video to see if what it talks about would be an option for you. And good day.